is Olga and you're on the channel Home with Helga. I'm interior designer, I'm an expert, and right now I'm living in Berlin in a rental home. And in today's episode I want to talk about how to create a cozy atmosphere at your home, even if you're living in a rental like I do. So please follow my channel and watch until the end to learn all the tricks how to make your home instantly look fabulous and cozy. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, our first step is deep decluttering. Trust me, even in the most beautiful and cozy space, if you have a lot of stuff going on, a lot of clutter, you don't feel comfortable. Actually, clutter makes you feel uncomfortable and uninviting. So please, this is the first step. It's very serious to start. At least take out the visual clutter, visual noise, and you will see how your home will look so much better after that. Okay, the second most important thing to do is how to use lighting to create a cozy atmosphere. Okay, never use a ceiling lighting, never, ever, ever. So if you're living in a rental, it's better to invest in different types of lighting, like floor lighting, desk lighting, table lighting, or maybe even small accent lighting where you can place them anywhere. I will show you some really nice examples and you can choose. It doesn't cost much, but it gives you really nice atmosphere. Always use warm lighting. It gives you such a cute and nice atmosphere. This is what actually brings coziness at home. Also, you can use candles. It's also amazing, but just be careful with the candles. Don't place them near curtains, or just take a look at them, because you know it's a fire. So lighting is super important, and I will show you now different pictures of what we call cozy interior, and just count how many different lightings they have, and that pictures they're never using overhead lighting. So why not to try it? The next thing is add texture to your home. It's about blankets, it's about materials, it's about fabric. Okay, you can place texture rug on the floor. You can place a throw blanket over the sofa. So just think about it. If you're afraid to bring some color into your home, you can add some different textures, and you will see how it changes the mood. The next step, add plants. Plant and florals to your home. So my hack is invest in the big plants. Don't buy 100 small plants, because this also creates a visual clutter. But if you feel okay, plants are not my thing, everything is dying at my home, don't worry. You can buy a good fake trees. You can buy a good fake plants. Just search on Amazon and you will find something. Also, flowers bring life and color into your home. Add some small bouquets to your home. I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 pieces in your bedroom. A simple bouquet from grocery store can actually change the place dramatically. Buy them for yourself, because you deserve it. You deserve it. Okay, it's time to add the decor. As I said before about textured things. Don't be afraid to add some rugs. Don't be afraid to add some throw pillows, throw blankets. If you're not sure, if you're afraid of the colors, you can always buy just a cushion, colored cushions, and see how it transforms the place. Don't be afraid to add mirrors to your home, but be careful. Think about what this mirror will reflect, because it can reflect light, it can brighten up the room, it can make the room feel bigger. But if you place it in the hallway, right in front of, I don't know, your shoes closet, or even in front of your 10 pairs of shoes, that means that you will get 20 pairs of shoes. So be careful with the mirrors, but definitely use them. This is a super nice hack, but just think about what they will reflect. So don't be afraid to add artworks to your home. This brings so much personal things to your home, like it can be anything like posters. And yes, don't be afraid to try something new. Don't be afraid to add personal touches, because right now what I see in TikTok and YouTube, everybody loves these beige interiors. They're not personal, they're just like same, yeah, in a bad way. Okay, and my last thing to talk about is smells and sounds of your home. First you have to declutter, you have to like get rid of some unnecessary smells. Clean your space first, like clean your fridge, clean your other things so you don't have that bad nasty smells. And then you can add some nice inviting smells to your apartments. So it's better to choose something natural, and if you're not sure, please smell this before, because some smells can give you headaches, some smells can stimulate you, and some smells can relax you. You can also buy some aroma oils, you can also buy some like sticks, like I do, something like that. Yeah, you can burn it, but it's strong. Anything, or you can even bake cookies before your guests coming, and this will give you such an amazing smell, you know, to your home. So you can peel the oranges, it will also give you nice smell. Okay, and let's talk about sounds. Avoid echo, like I do have actually in this room. Yeah, but I didn't bought the rug yet. Add pillows, curtains, because if you hear echo, it feels like not really so nice. You can buy a Bluetooth speaker. You can put on some lo-fi music. You can play some classic music, or you can also play some, I don't know, natural sounds on the background. Trust me, this also transforms home from uninviting to cozy, because this is what helps you to relax at your home. So if you use all of these hacks and tricks, trust me, your home will transform dramatically and you will feel it straight away. It's not so hard to do, but it gives you such a nice and inviting atmosphere, and everyone will say that wow, your home is so cozy now. Trust me. Share your results with me. Leave a comments what works for you, what's not, what was your favorite thing to do, what's not. Maybe you have your favorite smells at your home. I don't know. You can also leave a comment. Me personally, I like the smell of vanilla, but not that much. Also, I really love the smell of citrus, and it also gives you such a nice smell. So try different things. Don't be afraid to try something new. As I said before, it's not a rocket science to do. So please, if you like my tips, don't forget to press like button, follow my channel to learn more tips and tricks about your home, and see you in the next episodes. Bye bye. Magic! No, she doesn't want to be a part of my video today. She's super fluffy.